Okay, so continue. So the big topic for us is the laws of Shabbos, of course. And now we got to the Seudah Shelishis, so meaning the third meal. First, the obligation. Women as well as men are obligated to have 3 meals on Shabbos. This is because they're obligated in all positive commandments of Shabbos. The concept of 3 meals on Shabbos based on man the Jewish people ate in the wilderness when they left Egypt. Women partook of that miraculous food as well. Poskim stress that women should be aware of the fact that they are obligated in all 3 meals. So, and it's very, very important because somehow, I'm not sure how, some women think that they're not obligated. I'm not sure from where. I mean, of course, many men have this third meal in a synagogue, but it's not obligatory, but it's preferable because it's preferable to first pray mincha and then eat. But even if you eat at home, there is no problem. I mean, there is no problem whatsoever. So, but women, since they don't go to synagogue, usually don't for mincha. Right? So some do, but usually don't. So they don't eat. That's the problem. So everybody, all of the women, obligated as well, as we just saw. Okay, what must be eaten? There are 4 opinions in Rishonim as to what one must eat to fulfill the mitzvah of Seudah Shelishis, the third Shabbos meal. Halachah concurs with the opinion that one must have muktzeh, food, bread or bread products, such as matzah or pita. So, as we always say, we're trying to do perform all of the mitzvahs on the highest level. And the highest level is, according to this first opinion, to have hamotzi. Hamotzi means bread. So bread, they say, or bread or pita, or bread products, whatever is matzah, whatever is it, right? So, but how much you have to eat? You can eat even kazais. So you can eat even 1 ounce, so which is not a lot. So to say a person cannot eat on this one kizai, so there is a problem. I think it's a ecological problem, right? So don't eat more on Shabbos day. Leave a little space over, so you can you have appetite to eat these kizais. That's it. Like it depends on the bread. It could be like a real bread, not the puffy schmuffy. Like it's a half of the slice, right? Continue. Poskim are very strong in their opinion that one should not be lenient about eating Seudah Shelishis. Aruch HaShulchan, right? So I mean, for men it's of course obligatory. For women, we'll see. So far, we say even women should eat bread. It is not worthy. Of course, there is a more lenient opinion. So as he said, that there are 4 opinions. So it is not worthy. Then there are poskim who feel that one eats other foods than bread, either mizoines, fruit, fish, or meat. Right? Is a mitzvah fulfilled after the fact. Who said it? Mishnah Brura. Right. So I remember learning it. So Mishnah Brura says, so after the fact. So as we said, when did we say it? Last time when we have a class. So we said, you don't want to be a Jew after the fact. Like after the fact, okay. Right. So we don't want to be such a people. We want to be lechatchila, like according to all of the opinions. So, and after the fact, they say if you eat mizoines, you eat cake or cookies, right? Whatever you eat, meat or fish. So after the fact, it is okay. After the fact, the amount of motzi food one should eat is preferably 2 kizaisim, but no less than the amount of 1 kizais should be eaten. So according to okay. So we were talking about it before. So according to all of the opinions, if you want to go to according to all of the opinions, you have to eat 2 ounces. But if somebody is not hungry, not this, not that, so there is a strong opinion of Rabbi Moshe Feinstein Zatzal. So in case of the need, so a person can rely on that opinion on 1 ounce. but preferably 2. So that's why I always say 1, but preferably 2, of course. Okay. So as we said, maybe it's 1 slice of normal bread, not the puffy like bread. It's not a lot.